Howdy folks, my name is Jerome Dolans. I'm from Spicewood, Texas. I'm a diversified poet. In other words, I try to write what most of you common folks out there like to hear and experiences that you've went through. And the reason I'm doing these poems today, honestly, is I have a new book out. It's called Poetry with a Purpose. So perhaps you will like my poetry. Now this first poem, perhaps some of you out there will agree with me that I feel as if our country and our rights and liberties are slowly eroding away. I also feel like our country is going in the opposite direction. So I put out my frustrations in this first poem. It's titled, All's Not Well. What have we become? A country out of control. A nation parting from origin. God make us whole. It starts in Washington, D.C. Those people work for us. They put out their decrees, same people we no longer trust. They receive all kinds of perks. They vote to increase their pay for their quality of work. How can they justify a raise? Politicians are out of touch. We fund their paycheck. Don't try to manage us, lest you forget. Half of them have law degrees, attended class on ethics. It's wrong to deceive. Why we are skeptics. Giving you some guidance from the people who voted you in. Review the 10 Commandments. That's how you can begin. To gain our respect, quit pandering to the special interests. Abide the Constitution and protect. Shun the lobbyists. Create a smaller government. Pay off the debt. Cut the budget. Spend less. Keep our military strong, well equipped with good pay. They will right to wrong. Just stay out of their way. Secure our borders, fairly market alternative fuel. Restore law and order. That's not being unreal. Hold people accountable. That includes you. Set the example. It's the right thing to do. As one can tell, politicians not looking out for us. We're mad as hell. Step up or get off the bus. In closing, create an environment inviting the brightest to serve. There's only discontent, not what our country deserves. Thank you.